Is it visible? Dear students, is it visible? Okay. Today we're discussing about equation of the normal to the ellipse. Okay. So concept is here, for example, is the tangent, is the normal at this point of contact. So that point is, I'm taking some p x1, y1. So equation of the normal at p x1, y1. That is the formula. How to derive? So first of all, given equation of the ellipse x square by a square, y square by b square is equal to 1. So differentiate with respect to x, dear students. 2y by dash is by b square is equal to 0. So y dash is how much? To do cancel. So minus b square by a square, x by y. Therefore, slope of the normal at p x1 y1 is a square by b square, y1 by x1. Therefore, hence, the equation of normal is, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to slope m into, m means here a square by b square, y1 by x1 into x minus x1. To simplify, you can get a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a 1. Okay. Normal at point a cos theta comma b sin theta. Equation of the normal in parametric form. What to do here? So replace x1 by a cos theta, y1 by b sin theta in 1. We get, what the result is coming? A cos theta means here, a cancel, that means ax by cos theta minus b sin theta means b cancel here. That means by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. This is the formula, dear students. Equation of the normal in parametric form means ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Right on? Okay. Next one. Completed? Still anyone writing? Anirudh completed? Assis? Okay. I'm proceeding. Yeah, thank you. So based on this one, how they're asking the question, see. One question. After that, we discuss properties of normal. Find the normal to the ellipse x square by 18 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1 at the point 3, 2. So dear students, here there are two methods are there. One is finding the slope. With respect to that one, you can find it. Another one is parameter form. So which one is you can solve, no problem. So first of all, how to choose any point parameter form on this parabola? Anyone? What is the equation of the normal? First of all, how to choose the point? A cos theta comma B sin theta, that is the P. So here, given, what is the equation of the ellipse? A is greater than B, A square is how much? 18. B is 8 means the point P, what is that? 3 root 2, that means 3 root 2 cos theta, 2 root 2 sin theta. But this one is given how much? 3 comma 2, see carefully. Now compare these cases. So 3 cancel, cos theta is how much? 1 by root 2. Here also sin theta is also 1 by root 2. So from these cases, what is the theta in a 1? Yeah, pi by 4. Now, yeah, equation of the normal is, what is the formula? Ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. That is the answer. Dear students, here a is d root 2. Cos theta is how much? Simplify, how much is coming? 3 root 2 x by, this is 1 by root 2. See carefully, minus 2 root 2 x by 1 by root 2 is equal to a square means 18 minus 8. Simplify, how much is coming? Yes. So what the result is coming? So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 means how much? 2, 2. 18 minus 8 is how much? 10. Okay. Then so how much coming? 6x minus 4y is equal to 10. So that means 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. That is the equation. Yes. So I'm giving one question. To practice it. One more question. Dear students. Find the equation of the normal to the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. At the positive end of a lattice rectum. You can practice at home this one. So what is the positive end of the lattice rectum means what? What are the coordinates? That is a comma b square by a. Simple. Can you try? Okay. Now, properties of normal. Right on? First one. 1. Same property discussed in parabola. It is the normal other than the major axis. Never passes through focus. That's very important. How means? So take any one equation of the normal, apply passing through a comma 0, you can verify what the answer is coming. Second point here, please is not sufficient. I'm rotating. I'm going for another slide. Can I proceed? Okay. So very important here, students. See. Okay. Suppose the normal is there. This is the focus, yes. Yes. So what you are observing in this case here, this is angle theta means this one is also angle theta. That means what here, this Pn bisects SP S dash. This property is very important. That means what here, angle of incidence ray is equal to angle of reflection property. That is the meaning. See, this property is very important. What is this? X is equal to A by A directrix. I'm taking. This is the X1, Y1, dear student. See, how to derive. Proof is not required, but I'm giving right now. So, first of all, normal at point P, X1, Y1 bisects at or bisects angle SP S dash. Okay. This is the property. Normal at P bisects the angle SP S dash. So dear students, SP is equal to E times PM, accepting that point definition. That is the definition of conic section. So SP is equal to E times what is the value of PM? That is anyone? A by E minus X1. Check it. So like that S dash P is equal to E times PM. How much? E times E by E plus X1. So therefore, see carefully how means drop the perpendicular. Suppose this is what X1 comma 0 somewhere. This is A by E comma 0. So find the distance between them. The value of PM is always A by E minus X1. Then explain simple method. See X1, Y1, dear students. This is X1 comma 0. This is the origin. This is A by E comma 0. So this distance is how much? A by E minus X1. That is the meaning. That is the PM. Fine. So therefore SP is how much? A minus EX1. S dash P is how much? A plus EX1. Now, normal NP is, what is the formula? A square X by X1 minus B square Y by Y1 is equal to A square minus B square. Consider this normal is passing through the major axis. Major axis means what, dear student? That is Y coordinate is 0. So put Y is equal to 0. For example, what happened? If passing through the normal, then what is your answer? Right now? So based on this one, I will give one more example. Write down. Okay. Which passes through N means major axis. So put Y is equal to 0, dear students. What is the answer, anyone? From this case, what you're getting? Put Y is equal to 0, this value is 0. So X is how much? X1 by A square. See carefully. X1 is equal to, what the result is coming? X1 by divided with A square means 1 minus B square by A square is equal to how much is coming? X. Okay. So anyone, what is the value of 1 minus B square by A square? That is eccentricity, E square. Leave it. Yeah. So if anybody confusing, I will write. I'm writing C formula. Don't confuse. What is the value of 1 minus B square by A square means? That is E square. If anyone confusing, write down. Now, how to find Sn? Anyone? S is what? AE comma 0. This is minus AE comma 0. So these 2 points find a distance formula. What the result is coming? Which one is the greatest? Yes, that means AE minus X1 E square. See carefully. So from these cases, I am finding distance between Sn. N means this one. What is N1? N means X1 E square comma 0. So find distance between these 2 points. AE minus X1 E square. So what is the common factor? Take E as a common factor, A minus E X1. Okay. So A minus E X1 somewhere, see. What is the answer? SP. So E times SP is coming from C, this part. So please find out what is the value of STSN. That is AE plus X1 E square E into A plus EX1 E times S dash P. Now what you are observing? Anyone? SP by S dash P. What is the answer is coming? hence proved. Sp by S dash P is equal to Sn by S dash N. That means what here? Clearly, Pn bisects angle SPS dash. So this property is very important here, students. Write down. So if anybody want to add one more point, what is the point? Suppose an incident ray is passing from the focus S, which meets the point P ellipse. Again, it will be reflected passing through another focus of the ellipse. Give the conclusion. An incident ray passing from the focus S and meets the point an ellipse and reflected and passing through another focus of the ellipse. Based on this one, I'm giving an example. Completed power. Slowly joined. Now strength is 43. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? Write down. What is the, I'm writing. Write down. An incidence ray from the focus S after reflection at the point P by the ellipse passes through the other focus S dash. Now see, done. Excuse me. If the normal, what the logic is required? See, let P 2 comma 3 root 3 by 2 meets major axis of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 at Q and S comma S dash are okay of the given ellipse. Okay, they're fine. SQ is to S dash Q. What is the answer? What you are observing? See? Suppose this the normal is there. No, not visible. This is the normal. This normal meets at where Q. S is focus. S is also other focus. Is the P. How to find? P is given 2 comma 3 root 3 by 2. Fine. Then how to simplify? So write down given equation of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9. So in this case, first of all, find the focus. Yes. A comma 0. So a square is 16, b square is 9. What is the eccentricity here? B square by a square, because a is greater than b. How much is coming? Root 7 by 4 is coming. So what is the foci, anyone? Plus or minus root 7 by 4 comma 0. So that is S is nothing but root 7 by 4 comma 0 minus root 7 by 4 comma 0. Now, what the concept is there here? The normal bisector PQ behaves as a internal angular bisector. Accepting see, this angle is equal, yes. Normal is the multiply with a na, yeah, multiply with a means how much? 4 for cancel, yeah. Into, yeah, good. Into 4 is there, thank you. So this is 4, yeah, root 7 comma 0 multiplied with 4 forward. So minus would say thank you. Yeah, directly I take root here. That I will erase. So please tell me after that what? Okay, thank you. Now, right, what is the case? Normal PQ is bisector of SPS dash. That is the meaning. That means for your angle between SP and S dash. That means further result is coming anyone? SQ by S dash Q. What is the formula? SP by S dash P. That is very important. See. Now S is there. What is the answer? S is root 7 comma 0. So find P is there. Find the distance formula, dear students. What is the answer? Tell me. Anyone, please help me. Plus 3 root 3 by 2 minus 0 whole square. Oh, it's a lengthy global. S dash P is how much? 2 plus root 7 whole square. Find it yourself. We are getting S cube by S dash Q is equal to SP by S dash Q is equal to 8 minus root 7 by 8 plus root 7 is coming. That is the answer. After that, write down note. Write down question. The normal at the end of a lattice rectum of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 passes through extremity of a minor axis. That means end point of the minor axis. Then prove that e power 4 plus e square minus 1 is equal to 0. How? This is the lattice rectum, dear students. So what is the point here? That is AE comma B square by A. Fine. So this normal passes through. I'm writing, see. This normal passes through extremity of the minor axis. That is the meaning. Fine. So this is what? 0 comma minus B. Fine. Right on. First of all, what is the equation of the normal? Anyone? The equation of the normal at x1, y1 is a square x by x1, b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. This point is passing through a comma b square by a. What is the result is coming? A square x by ae minus x1 y1 means ae comma b square by a. What is the result is coming? Anyone? A cancel, that means a by e x minus a y is equal to a square minus b square. Again, this normal which passes through passes through 0 comma minus b. We get what is the result? So this is 0 plus ab a square minus b square is coming. See carefully. That's why. What is the result is coming now? Tell me. Formula is correct, na? A square by x1 by yeah, b square y by y1. Okay. Passing through a comma a means how much? No? A cancel a by a, correct? B square cancel a y, correct? Now passes through 0 comma minus b, correct? A b is equal to. Now from this case, how to derive this one? Anyone? One result is there. What is the result? Anyone? A square e square is equal to what is the formula? Yes. So AB is equal to A square E square. So squaring on both sides, A power 4 E power 4. So still A square B square, how to write? Anyone? इसका b square is not there ना just a minute b square is by a square is equal to e power 4. What I am doing here, dividing with a power 4 on both sides here, students. See, now b square by a square is how much? Anyone remembering? What is the formula? I'm writing here. So 1 minus a square, b square by a square is nothing but what? Yes. So this is 1 minus e square is equal to e power 4. Therefore, e power 4 plus e square minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence prove. So what is the logic here? This one you are getting C here, students. So what I am doing here, in the place of a square minus b square, I am writing, see carefully, a b is equal. From this case, squaring on both sides. A square b square is equal to a power 4, e power 4. Divide with a power 4, write on this one. It passes through 0, minus b, and normal means it is not passing through 0, b, not possible. Okay, now passes through extremity, end of the minor axis. That means 0, minus b. Completely opposite. So when it is possible 0, b, for example, dear students, when it is possible 0, b, I'm writing C. That means normally starting from here only. I'm writing C. Suppose you're starting from Q, normal. Then what is the end of the minor axis? 0, b. Be careful. Now it is coming. Same question they can ask, same question. Prove that eccentricity is constant. This is the answer. Same question, dear students. Prove that eccentricity is constant. In this case, we are proving e power 4 plus e square minus 1 is equal to 0. No? Yeah. Anyone tell me what is the value of eccentricity here? Yeah, definitely. Changing. My dear students, I am expanding this question. What is the eccentricity of this question? Sometimes they are giving eccentricity is a constant. What is the value of eccentricity? Anyone? See, I am expanding this question. How to solve? E square is how much, dear students? Root 5 minus 1 by 2 or minus root 5 minus 1 by 2 failed because e square is always positive since e square is positive. Now, how to solve this one? E is equal to root over root 5 minus 1 by 2. How to still you can simplify? I think this one. How? Let us see. Is it possible to simplify? Root 5 minus 1. Root 5, 2 root 5. 2 means how to write? Possible is that check it. Simple, you can simplify when we are getting free time. Plus is there, minus is there. This is what? Minus root 5. This is not possible. Simplify. It is a constant. Eccentricity is coming root over root 5 minus 1 by 2. It's subset. So what they can ask another way, what is the truth eccentricity is a constant. Not. Right on? This is the P tangent. This meets major axis. Like that. Suppose this is a small g, this is a capital C. Meets major axis at G, minor axis at small g. C is the center. S dash is the focus. S is the another focus. Fine. Drop the perpendicular from the center to the normal. That is capital F, dear students. Okay, now distance. Okay. Right now, point 1. If the normal at any point P on the ellipse, the center C meet the major axis and minor axis in G, capital G and small g respectively. Stop. If CF is perpendicular upon this normal, then point number 1, right? Place is not sufficient, right? So what are the relation among PZ and P small pg dash, like that? Right now, discuss. So many questions are there based on CF, perpendicular distance. So how they are asking, how they are linked up with the application of derivatives. This one let us see today, right now. One question is there, how they are asking, right now. Ready, students? One completed. So this one you can expect this concept or especially advanced concept. But if it's very, very easy, point number 1. See the diagram carefully. PF into PZ is B square value. 2. PF into small g A square. So from these two cases, they can ask PZ by small pz value is how much? B square by A square, dear students. Like that. PZ into small pz means capital P. Always SP into S dash P. Fourth property. CG into CT. GT lies on the major axis. See carefully. Is equal to CS square. These two are very important. Locus of the midpoint of GZA is another ellipse having the same eccentricity as that of the original ellipse. This point is very important. Please remember this one. This is the normal. Okay, getting the point? This is a capital G, this is small g. What the relation is there? See, PZ by PZ is equal to how much? B square by A square. Now this is the C, this is the T. So CG into CT is how much value is CS. That means what here? CG, CS, CT are in GP. Dear students, you can write like this also. CG, CS, CT are in GP at this point. And another one is midpoint of GZ. You know already what is the point of G? What is the coordinates of G? Find the locus of the midpoint of GZ is always an ellipse. What is the eccentricity of the new curve? That is also same as this original ellipse. Theorem come question, this one. What is the T means? What is the tangent meets the major axis of T? That is the meaning. Yes, the tangent is there, no? Which meets major axis at T. That is the meaning. Theorem come question, this one. Previous advanced question. But I'm converting to theorem. Find maximum distance. I'm applying application of derivative. See, find maximum distance of any normal of the ellipse. This is a good question, dear students. X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1 from its center. Keep in mind A is greater than B. Solution. Yes, As is responding, answer is correct. Ashish, do you know proof? Good, at least. Okay, good. Wow, Amrit, nowadays legend class, we would really appreciate it. Joining in time. Amrit, how are you? Amrit? Fine, good. Rushta? Nowadays, where is the Rushta? Rushta, how are you, Rushta? Yeah, good, right? Good. Thank you. Now see how to just image the diagram. Just draw the rough diagram. Anyone? First to draw the rough diagram. For example, this is the ellipse. Dear students, this is the point, some P, this is the normal. So, this is the center, draw the perpendicular. So, they are asking what is the value of CD. CD means don't think that is D is inside only. Again confusing you. And try the picture, see. That is the meaning, okay? The CF take better. But how to find equation of the normal? Which one is the suitable form? That's very important. Anyone? That's very important. Yes, beautiful. Right on. So, please write down. Equation of the normal at P of theta is P of theta means you should understand that is A cos theta comma B sin theta. What is the formula, anyone? Ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to A square minus B square. Now, as usual, center is what? 0, 0. Drop the perpendicular distance. Modulus of kx1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square formula is there. Otherwise, can you write the exam full syllabus, ellipse also, dear students, or is it sufficient? No, tell me. This is 0, comma 0. Draw the perpendicular distance. What is the given? Normal. Ax secant theta minus by cosecant theta is equal to a square minus b square. This is the normal. This is the C, this is F. So what is the answer? D is equal to formula 0 minus a square plus b square. Dear students, by root over a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. Now, question is, what is the maximum value of D? The maximum value of D means numerator must be minimum, you should understand. So in this case, we can apply derivative, but say very, very complicated. But what I'm doing, every time minimum or maximum means trigonometry every time converting into either tan or cos. That is simple method. So dear students, what I'm doing, secant square theta, what is the formula? So I am using this formulas. So D is equal to E square minus A square by. So A square plus A square tan square theta, it's very easy. B square plus B square cos square theta. What next? Anyone? Oh, Vaishnavi, raise your hand. Vaishnavi, what is the doubt? So how to solve here? See carefully what I'm doing. A tan theta minus B cot theta whole square plus what I did, anyone? Here A square plus B square is there. Dear students, I am adding plus 2AB minus 2AB. See carefully. Adding plus 2AB minus 2AB. Then plus 2AB minus 2AB means what? Tan theta cot theta cancel. We can expand this part, same thing is coming. So minimum means for here this part should be 0. So minimum when it is possible, tan square theta is equal to B by A is coming. So theta is what? Tan inverse of root over B by A. And for this value you can get minimum. So maximum of D. What is the answer? Here B square minus D square means you should write A square minus B square only. Because A is greater than B. Modulus anyhow, no problem. But this is 0 means what is the answer? A plus B whole square. So therefore, A minus B into A plus B by A plus B, both are cancelled. So answer is modulus of A minus B. So maximum distance from the center to the carbon means what is the answer? Modulus of A minus B. Yesterday I have given three questions. Anyone got? Prove that these two lines form a curve, find the eccentricity. Find the longest chord of the ellipse. Maybe you forgot, but I am not forgetting. Find the minimum area of the triangle found by the tangents and coordinate axis. Why you are not submitting the solutions? We are ready to discuss some problems. Okay, proceed. Anyone have doubts? Ask me regarding this normal. So for this class, enough for this one concept. We'll discuss some problems. Now see how they're asking. Just, what is the question? Let me see. Yeah. Problems one. Okay. Problem C. The minimum area of triangle formed by tangents to the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and the coordinate axis. What is the answer? Anyone? How to find? So here, what the logic is there? Find the equation of the tangents. Here, various forms are there. There are 3, but in this case, which one is suitable? If you are finding that one, that is the answer. Anyone? X, y axis I'm taking. Fine. This is the tangent. Now they're asking, this is the area, the coordinate axis. C, from A, B. C, A, B is the right angle triangle. So choose the one point. What is the point here? A cos theta, comma B sin theta. That is the logic. Now given equation of the ellipse. So equation of the tangent, yes. At P of theta is, what is the answer, anyone? X1 by a square. That means x cos theta by a. Y1 by b square means y sin theta by b is equal to 1. So which meets x-axis, y-axis at a and b respectively. Fine. What are the coordinates of anyone? Put y is equal to 0. That means what the result is coming, anyone? A by cos theta comma 0, dear students. See. What about b? 0. Put x is equal to 0. Meets the y-axis means x is equal to 0. Y is what? B by sin theta. Now, area of triangle ABC, they are asking this question. Half into base into height. What is the height, anyone? So this is the 0 comma 0. AB means how much? A by cos theta. B by sin theta. Area should be modulus. So AB by 2 sin theta cos theta is how much? So they are asking minimum area. Everyone, they're asking, yes, minimum area of triangle. When it is possible, it should be maximum of sin 2 theta is how much? 1. So therefore, answer is how much? 80. Next time, same question they can ask like this one. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So what is the minimum area of the triangle found by the tangents, the ellipse and coordinate axis? What is the answer? Yes. If anyone forgetting this formula, you can approach procedure. Now, shall I proceed? Right on. Tangents are drawn from a point. Read the question. Tangents are drawn from a point on the circle. Is it visible? Blue color, anyone? Which one is suitable color for you? Tell me. You can use that one. Okay, no problem. Okay. Tangents are drawn from a point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. To the ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Then angle between the tangents. Assis, you are really great here. Good. How? Assis? Breast. Solution. See, yes, correct. Surya Kiran, wow, great here. Good, keep it up, Surya Kiran. See, both are having same center. So, given 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Divide with 144 on both sides. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. A greater than B. This is 4 comma 0. This is 0 comma 3. That means this is a circle outside. So choose any one point. Yes, students. P. Okay. So from this case, we have drawn two tangents to the ellipse. Yes. Now they are asking this angle theta. First, to find out what is the equation of direct circle for this case. Equation of the director circle. How much? X square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 9, 25, which is as per the given equation of circle. Clear? That means what? Angle between them is 90 degrees. Well, the point is where? Lies on the director circle. Therefore, theta is 90 degrees. Why? Locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents. Drawn to the ellipse. Yes. That's all. Now, anyone find the locus of the midpoints of the portion of the tangents to the ellipse intercepted between the x is, what is the answer? Anyone? Find the locus of the midpoints of the portion of the tangents to the ellipse intercepted between the axis. So in this case, if they are not giving any equation, then you should take standard equation. Dear students, they are giving 4 options. What is the answer? Let's see. A, B. Suppose this is the midpoint. H comma K. Okay. Uh, Given. Consider equation of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So here the point is what? A cos theta comma b sin theta. Locus means better you can take this one. Anyone. What is the equation of tangent? That p of theta is x1 by a square x cos theta by a plus y1 by b square means y sin theta by b is equal to 1. So what are the coordinates of here? A by cos theta, b 0 comma b by sin theta. That is the answer. So m h comma k is equal to how much? Midpoint of AB. That is the answer. So 2h is equal comma 2k is equal to, what the answer is coming on? A by cos theta, b by sin theta. Accepting midpoint of AB means, so eliminate theta. That is the answer. Midpoint of AB means A by cos theta by 2. That means 2h comma 2k is equal to A by cos theta, B by sin theta. What is the answer? So Sadhguru Charan, shall I proceed for the next slide? Writing. Yeah, sure. YouTube available. Now, so 2h is equal to a by cos theta. What are the cos theta, dear students? A by 2h. 2k is equal to b by sin theta. Sin theta is how much? B by 2k. So squaring on both sides, add them. So a square by 2h square, b square by 4k square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, locus of m h comma k is a square by x square plus b square by y square is equal to 4. That is the answer. Okay, dear students, thank you. Have a nice day. So tomorrow also don't miss the class. You can revise parabola also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Complete this one. Take the screenshots. Closing this one.